To reactivate your DoorDash account, start by downloading and opening the DoorDash app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can access various settings and options. Look for the Help or Support option and tap on it. This will open a new page with a list of frequently asked questions and other support topics. Scroll down to the Account and Settings section and select the Reactivate Account option. If you do not see the Reactivate Account option, you may need to contact DoorDash support directly. You can do this by tapping on the Contact Us option at the bottom of the support page. This will allow you to send a message to DoorDash support, where you can explain your situation and request to have your account reactivated. When contacting support, be sure to provide your account information, including your email address and phone number associated with the account. This will help DoorDash verify your identity and assist you with reactivating your account. In some cases, DoorDash may require additional information or verification to reactivate your account. This is a standard security measure to protect your account and ensure it is being accessed by the correct person. Once your account is reactivated, you will be able to log in and start using the DoorDash app again. Make sure to review and agree to the terms of service and any other agreements that may have changed since your account was deactivated. It is also a good idea to update your account information, including your password and payment methods, to ensure your account is secure and up to date. By following these steps, you should be able to reactivate your DoorDash account quickly and easily.